forces to the east, I ask you to come forth, form a shield wall, protect the sacred space and all the people within it. Holy forces of the south, I ask you to come forth, form a shield wall and protect the sacred space and all the people within it. In days of yore, a youth was born, of sturdy strength, of the stock of gods. At the edge of the earth, Etten maids 9 gave birth and suckle to the brightest of the gods. Heimdall, patron of our mother Kindred, patron of the Northwoods kindred, teacher of men, giver of culture, bringer of craft and trade. We ask you to join us here at this fair, at this collection of pagans from all around the area, as we gather together and honor you and honor each other and honor kinship in the Spokane area. Hail Heimdall!
Hail Heimdall!
Grandfather, we ask that you bless this sacrament that we offer to you, the fruit of this earth, and a symbol of our love and kinship with you, with the gods of the north, and with each other. Hail.
Hail.
Heimdall, we know full well your trials, the lessons that you taught us, how you alone gave the runes to man, not orders. How you taught us how to use them, how you taught us how to do craft, and how you guide and mentor us every day. I don't think a day goes by when I don't, in some way, thank you for some lesson that I learned. Sometimes through pain, and sometimes through joy, but there's always a lesson in everything we do, and those lessons are the essence of Heimdall. Hail Heimdall.
Hail Heimdall!
Grandfather Rig, there's so much to be grateful for on a personal level, but that can stay on a personal bloat. I see so many fine, wonderful people that had to overcome so much adversity in different shapes and forms and seek courage, wisdom, and tutelage in any way that they can. I see a little bit of you, Heimdall, in every single one of these members here. Farseer and wise teacher, hail Heimdall.
Hail Heimdall! Every single person here today is from 3 separate kindreds, and I'm not sure how often that happens in Washington, no less in the Northwest, the Pacific Northwest, or even in the world. So with that being said, I want to, every single one of you have probably came from, again, like he said, Billy Monroe, that came from individual, various backgrounds, have probably fought hardships, trials, and triumphs in your life. And with that being said, so hail to all three kindreds and hail Heimdall!
Hail Heimdall!
At this time, is there another work to be performed?
Another work? Is there any other work to be done?
Like my ability to bless this hammer.
Is there any other work to be done?
Bless this ring. The blessings of the Asian, the gods, the gods. The blessings of the gods and goddesses, I bless this. Helgade.
Hail! If I may, if I'm not speaking out of turn, may I have all three Grothies bless my horn, please?
Absolutely. May this cider be a symbol of all the good karma, good deeds, love, kinship, and loyalty of everyone in this circle. May it carry with you forward. May the blessings of Heimdall be upon this horn and upon anyone who drinks of it, now and well into the future.
May the person drinking from this horn become just as wise as they are drunk.
Works for me.
And maybe, even a little bit, maybe the mead drunk from this horn as well can be that of poetry. Hail Heimdall.
Hail Heimdall!
May the blessings of this horn. May the blessings of the may it all comfort and joy. More joy. But again, may those like the Buffalo says. I don't know much about moderation, but
It's moderate for me.
The horn of moderation, that's its name.
with that being said, may this one be.
Hail.
Hail!
That's it? Good? No more work? Heimdall, grandfather, Rig. We thank you for joining us, for keeping us safe on our way here, for inspiring us to show up, not only for ourselves, but for everyone else here. As we've showed up for every person that's here, we've stepped out of the shadows and into the light and said, we are pagans, and we are here to stay. And we do that because we have your example to follow, and we have your lessons to guide us through when we don't know any better. I ask you on your way back to Asgard and back to stand your post at the top of the Rainbow Bridge, that any supernatural creatures and people you see along the way, you let them know that there are still good people here on Earth at Midgard that honor the old ways, honor the old gods, honor the folk, and place kinship and honesty above all else. We also ask that you look after these people with your far-seeing eye and make sure they all make it back to their destination safe and whole. And I thank everybody for joining us. Hail Heimdall!
Hail Heimdall!
This bloat has ended.
Let's send him home. Send him home.
Send him home, baby girl. Good one. Toot, toot.
Oh, that's all she does.
That's all she does.
Thank you.